getting a little bit warmer now, so we're gonna come in here, and if there's any moisture at all, which it looks like there is, we're gonna try to get some snipe, so bear with us. Oh my God, just as soon as I ended that, there was like, oh my gosh, look at them all. All right, we gotta get collected here. I got one down right here in this.
You did get one?
Yeah, oh yeah. Oh my God, dude, I've never seen this many snipe. I gotta keep my eyes on this one.
Yeah. All right, let's get that one first.
Yeah. Look at him. Look at, come back. Come back. Two more flying over here. Get ready. If they come over this way, it's their ass. Oh my gosh, dude.
Look at, they're all landing over there.
I've never seen this many snipe.
Right to us. Don't move. Oh, no, they're over there now.
Okay, we need to.
They just landed right back up. Then just keep going.
Okay. Okay, dude.
Should I grab some more ammo?
Yeah, I need to go grab.
Grab.
This should be a quick limit of snipe. I've never seen this many snipe in my life, ever. I came in here in the introduction to that video. I kicked one up. I thought, oh, what are the chances of that? Shot, and probably, literally 100 snipe probably got up. There's another one flying right here. Look at them all flying. Oh, right here. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Dude, this is insane. Coming back, coming back. So I got, yeah, all right. Oh my gosh, dude, this is insane. That snipe is right in here somewhere.
Dropped right in front of me.
No, the one I shot is over here. This is perfect snipe territory, guys.
Called it.
So now the real hard part comes is trying to find the bird itself. Got another one, but I winged that one. So keep an eye on where that one fell.
Yeah.
And I really want to find that bird though. It's right here somewhere. Here's a feather. I don't know if you guys have ever snipe hunted. Comment below and tell them how it was, but I personally have never seen 100 snipe come over out of one spot at one time. That was insane to me.
That looks dry over there.
Yeah, no, I was just thinking I'm gonna probably walk that way. This bird right here is flopping around. I'm gonna go grab it. He was sitting on a dry patch about 4 foot around. See the bird that I shot flopping right here. There's that bird. He's flopping around right here. Yeah, this is insane. I've never seen snipe hunting like this. This is incredible. Hands down, best snipe hunting I've ever seen in my life. I keep saying that, but it's the truth. Stick in the shallower stuff. Steve's letting them rip. Be nailing them over there, or missing them, one or the other. I'm gonna go deeper first and then work my way shallower. This is incredible. I can't get enough of this. Too many. I don't know which one to shoot at. That is a good problem to have. Let's see if these two come back over. They're coming right back at me. Come on, baby. Nope, they bailed out. Here they go, coming back in. I mean, this is insane. They're coming by 4s, 5s at a time. For reference to anybody that doesn't know how this usually is, it's usually, you know, you see 1 or 2 at a time, and that's cool, you know, spooking 4, 5, 6 up at a time. When I first came in here, I spooked one, shot at it, and 50 or 60 jumped up at one time. It was insane. I mean, just nuts. Just behind it. But like, for example, look, I just shot at one. Oh man, what a fail that was. Too excited. I need to calm down for a minute. Compose myself so I make good, ethical, accurate shots. I mean, it's every 5 steps. Every 5 steps I take, I'm spooking more birds up. This is insane. There's one there. Another one there. Another one there. Another one there. Let's see if this one can go back here. He's coming right at me. Come on, baby. Missed him. Alright, I'm gonna need more ammo for sure. This is absolutely insane. You literally have to be paying 100% attention. God, I can't shoot for shit right now.
Nice.
You ready? Because there's probably gonna be some more jump up before I can get to this one. There's a snipe, everybody. Again, operator error. I'm getting choosy with my shots here too. Missed both of those. This is crazy. I've never had a barrel burning snipe hunt. My barrel's so hot it's almost too hot to touch. What do they call a barrel burner? For good reason. So all these snipe, they're just sitting on little dry tuffets of grass surrounded in this little marshy area that I'm hunting. And I mean, it's just covered with them. This, for example, this little tuffet, that's what they're sitting on. Haven't seen one in a little bit. Might be time to go restock on some ammo. Maybe take my boots off. That's a good idea. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go back, take these boots off so I can go a little bit deeper, retrieve that bird that I shot earlier. I know where it's at, so I gotta go restock on ammo and take these boots off. There's a couple of them. There's one. That was a perfect shot. Heard that one. It's unfortunate. It's part of it that you don't always find them still. Obviously, that's nobody's intentions to kill something and not find it, but it is part of it. But I do have one out here. I know for sure that I got. That was when I had to take my boots off, and I got birds flying in, and I'm not paying attention. Dang, coming right at me. Missed them both. That's because I'm not a good shot. Break. But the main thing is give an honest effort trying to locate your bird before you just give up. no sense in killing stuff for no reason, especially if you ain't gonna go and at least make the effort of going and looking to find it. Third time's a charm. Pretty snipe. In the back pocket. Alright, we're gonna team up a little bit better. Stay close enough, help each other find some birds. We got a little excited earlier. Folded that one. Hey, that's one of those duck loads. That's one of those duck.
Oh, I got mine marked.
Okay, keep yours. I got mine. I see it. There's one. Mr. Snipe. And honestly, I don't think that it hurts that we talk a little bit too. Coming back to you. Dude, they're popping up like 3, 4 at a time, 2 at a time. Coming back. Oh yeah, 4 more. You see them out there flying? Yeah. They're coming right at us, I think. Dude, my barrel's getting hot. If I was shooting good, we'd have almost 2 limits. You think it was? There's one right there. It's just...
There he is. There's one that was wounded. I got him.
Over your head. They're tough critters, man. So I just popped Steve's cherry on his first snipe. So I got first duck, first snipe, first snook.
Dude, you're my personal guy.
Making me feel famous. Taking my shoes off was a good move. I wish I had a bird dog and my shooting was better. Not gonna lie, I'm a little worried about snakes. Damn, I wasn't even paying attention to that one. See if he comes back. Nope, he's gone. There's one. Got him. To your left. Left, right there. There's those green twigs like 10 feet past it. To your left. Should be right in here on the ground, within 10 feet of your right. Right in there somewhere.
Nice. I'll look for this one. You go for that one.
All right. The buddy system's the way to go for sure. You got him? Nice, so he found that one. Oh my God. Scared the crap out of me. Yeah. It's a night heron.
Right here.
Oh really?
Right here.
Damn, I thought he was farther out.
Where is he at? Which way did he die?
Here's a wad.
Okay, look at this line.
This is an old, oh, that's an old shotgun shell.
Oh.
Yeah, where I seen it fall was right on the edge of this. I thought it was farther out.
Going that way?
Yeah, he was coming this way.
All right, then he's probably right in here, dude.
Angle this down so you can,
Yeah,
this is what we're looking
This
at.
ain't fun to try and find a bird that blends in with this stuff.
Yeah, that's literally what they're designed to do.
Unreal. I'll be honest, one of the best camouflage animals I've ever seen.
Yeah, I agree.
I've never struggled to find an animal,
Dead.
a dead animal this bad. Right in front of me.
Figures. You have to be on the ball. Yeah, a nest over there with an egg on it. Nice. I'm curious if it's a sandhill crane nest.
I wonder if this. Oh, there you go. You just flew up right in front of you.
Yeah, I can't hear.
All right, I think it's about to get hot, baby.
I took a couple Hail Marys, but There's one. We should have walked. Oh.
Should've walked that way.
Hey, hindsight's 2020. He's coming back. They sometimes look like they are. Be careful of your truck.